You can schedule a live stream on TikTok, and it's really good to do that if you want to notify your followers. If you build your audience, even the small one, you obviously need moderators. If you don't know why, I'm gonna tell you, get them quickly, because once you start getting those trolls in your live chat, it's gonna be insane. And your moderators need to know when you go live. Your followers want to know when you go live. You can schedule a live stream and then you can promote it as well. And everybody knows, okay, this is where she goes live. Great, I'm gonna be ready. People actually check it out more often than you think. So I'm gonna show you how to schedule that. Open your TikTok app, go to the settings burger menu on the top right corner, click on TikTok Studio, click on live, go all the way down, live events, and then at the bottom create event. So you have to put the event name, time, so that's date and hour, and also how long you're gonna go for live. It really doesn't matter, like you can go for 1 hour, but just say 3 hours or vice versa. But also you have to say that this is not a shoppable live, regular one, otherwise you're gonna get in basically trouble. So it's not gonna let you have everybody on it. And then at the bottom, don't forget to check off that this live is only for people older than 18 years old. So uncheck that, and yeah, the event is created. So now you can see it. Anybody who registers, it's going to be visible here, but also you can promote it by posting it as a story. You can also promote this live by adding a link to each video that's already posted. So you can put it into your stories, and once you refresh your profile, you're going to see when you're going to go live, and your followers will see it as well. So they can know, oh, it's going to be tomorrow, 5 o'clock. Okay, great. And once you're ready, you just go click from your profile and then just go live now. If you want to improve your videos because you feel like they're not doing good, they could do better, but you don't know where's the problem, send them to me and I give you the expertise. I tell you exactly what's working, what's not working, why, what to do about it, strategy, content ideas for the future, equipment advice. This can be social media overall, this can be specific video, podcast, whatever audio video. If you want to know more about this, get it done in 24 hours, all right? I'm here for you. Check out the link in the description of this video.